If you're planning to attend the 2023 Air, Space, and Cyber Conference, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From September 11th through the 13th, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during the Air, Space, and Cyber Conference's exhibit hall hours at the Gaylord National Resort and Convention Center in National Harbor, Maryland. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspections, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at the Air, Space, and Cyber Conference why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred by engineers and technicians throughout the aviation and aerospace industry's remote visual inspection of machinery, equipment, and components. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you can demo a ViewTech video borescope at your facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech video borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website, viewtech.com.